Hello, today I'd like to introduce you our Vibe AI solution for machine monitoring AI-based vibration detection system. So during this presentation I use here this machine with a IEPE accelerometer which have 100 millivolt per G sensitivity and our 2-channel plug-and-play light unit, which is connected here to the PC. So during the presentation, I show you as first how to create a reference file, so that means for good condition. Then I will make a test record on the same setting here of this gearbox, of this gear. So, and then this condition should be also good. After that I will change the setting here of the gearbox, so that means the vibration inside will be different, and then the system should detect anomaly. It is possible to tune the tolerance level of the AI algorithm. So using here this slider. This is only available for the experts. So means it is password protected, so that nobody, well, only specific persons can change the setting here. So now let's start. First I will make here a recording of the reference file. So now the reference file is recorded, and now we make a cross check. So the recording time can be here a little bit shorter, so this is now 33 seconds. So we see now that, of course, nothing has changed here. We have now here everything healthy. So now I change the setting here of this gearbox, and now I make a test file, a test recording. So now we can see and hear that the different setting here of this gearbox is now a anomaly case. So in this case, we have here the possibility to set an alarm. So means we give a sound to the output of the sound card, which can be used for another systems like PLC systems and so on. So this is very good for good bad detection, let's say in small environments or in small production facilities where per day just few items should be tested. So now I change again as a cross check to the normal setting here. As expected, this is now the healthy condition. So for permanent monitoring, let's say a machine or generator runs all the time, or a pump or whatever, we can enable here auto mode, so that we say, okay, make all 10 minutes or all 120 minutes and record during 60 seconds and check if the machine is still okay or not. So if it will be not okay, so then again we will get here the signal to the sound card input. So it's a tone of 1 kilohertz. So this is here, let's say, for permanent monitoring of some kind of conditions. So we have here also, beside this, expert mode, so that we can see here more detailed informations which finally can be downloaded as a Word document. So this is what I will do right now. So now we can see here the data of the current measurement. So this protocol I will convert into a PDF, which you can download below the video. So that's all for today. I wish you a pleasant day and have a good time.